Hello everyone, this is Bilal. In this video, I'll be showcasing you guys a short tutorial on how to scrap emails and social media links from any website that you really need for using Octoparse. So to start with this tutorial, you can see I compiled a list of links that I'll paste in Octoparse and show you how to scrap emails. So these are my links. I will copy them and open up my Octopath screen. So this is how the Octopath dashboard will look like for you. So to get started, you will click here on this new uh, button, and then you will click on custom task. Once that is done, a new pop-up will tab will show, and from here you will paste in the URL as a new line input, right? And then you will click on save. After that is done, you will see the website will load for you here, and for here now you would need a few things to do. First, you can change this task name to emails grabber or whatever you need. So next thing you will do is you will timeouts, you will increase it from 120 to 300 seconds. That is a good practice to do generally because website needs some time to load properly. So once that is done, I will just click on save and then click on got it. The next thing that we will need is we will need the source URL, right? So for that, you will click on add custom field and then click on page level data and then click on page URL. So this will be your source URL. So you know this URL belonging to this email. So I will just name this as source URL. Once that is done, the next thing we would need to do is scrap the emails. So to do that, I have compiled XPath. So what are XPath? Basically, I'll tell you in short. They are useful selectors to select the specific things that we are targeting. So in this case, we are targeting the social media links and the email address. So anyways, we will copy this email XPath that I'm showing you and then open the Octopath screen again, and then click on add custom field, and then we click on capture data on the page, and from here the matching XPath will paste in the XPath that we copied, and then we can name this field as email. Now you can see you are getting the email address, and the next thing we will do is get the LinkedIn URL. So we will copy this XPath again, go to Octopath screen, do the same steps again, and then click on do the LinkedIn, and I'll just fast forward this and then show you. Okay, so I've paused here, so I will let you know now. You can see when I pasted in my expert for Instagram, you can see I can just see the tag, not the URL of Instagram. So for that, I will right click here on this column and then click on customize field. And instead of choosing select text, I will choose as select URL. The same thing I'll do for this LinkedIn as well. So now I'll do the last one, Facebook. Name this field as Facebook, and then do the same thing, right click, customize field and select URL. Okay, now that we are done here, we will click extract data button from here and then click on options and then click wait before action to 2 seconds and then click on apply and then click on save. Now we are done with the setup. I will now run the task. So for running it, you will click on run and then you will do the standard mode in local mode. So once that is done, a new pop-up window will show. Okay, now from here I will fast forward this for you so you can see the end results.